It's been over a year. I can't believe it. We are cooking with wood today. I've already laid out my lump wood charcoal and my kindling, my pieces of wood, normally kindling because they fit in these smaller grates. So that's the first thing I do, get my kindling and my charcoal ready, clean out all the ash, clean down my oven. It's been stored for a while, but it's all cleaned out. I have to take out the wood to put the grate in. So if you can see it there. But if I open this, oops, you can see it there. And I'm just going to now put my wood in. There. So what I'm going to do now is get my gas burner and I will now light the oven. I've got to check that my chimney is open. Hopefully it is. And I've got it on the upright position and I have got the door open. I find the kindling, once you've got that working in flame, it'll light up the lump wood. Just a bit more. Hopefully that'll catch. I'll leave it open for a minute. Get the air in there. It's quite a breezy day. Added another log. Luckily this oven has a dial so I can see if it goes out that doesn't move. But it's starting to get there. I'm pretty happy with that. Whilst that's doing that, then I'm gonna just get my pizza dough and all my other accessories sorted out. But charcoal it's just so dirty, isn't it? This is my cheese that's been in the freezer and I've defrosted it. So that's all good to go. So I've got Ooni container of dough there. I've got a bag of dough there, that should be enough. Right, I've been 10 minutes and look at that. That's really good. I haven't got any room to top up. And it's going up on the dial slowly. But once it gets going with these wood-fired ovens, there's no stopping it. I have my cast iron pan there and I will maybe use that for managing the stone. And also I've got my pizza brush ready because I'm dealing with real wood and ash. And I've got my lump wood charcoal and my logs. And my setup is I have it on my barbecue table, which I use for other things. It's the best thing I've ever bought, actually, to link in with my pizza kitchen. I found it so useful. I could do a whole video on this table because I can't tell you how many times I use it for everything over the summer. My stainless steel top protector, which I use for all my ovens, for when I want to protect my nice wooden surfaces. So I've only put it at the back because that's more likely where anything is going to fall when I'm dealing with the oven. So I don't really deal with anything at the front here, so I don't need to put anything on the wood because hopefully all that'll be coming out of there is my pizza. So yeah, just on the back have I got protection for my table. And these things are so handy, very handy. I'll link them in below. I got them off Amazon. I've got one in this size, in this bigger size as well. I've also got my thermometer ready. Always have that ready every time I cook. But look how fast this is going up as we talk. It's already in the orange. The only thing I wish the dial would show is what the orange actually means. Just do this a second, just make sure I've got enough fuel in there. My cast iron pan handle. I'm just gonna, yeah, look how low it's gone. I need to put some things in there. I need more fuel. I'm gonna put more lump wood in because that's what's burning. I don't want flames right now. The lump wood charcoal is going to give me the heat. I want heat right now, not flames. And then when I want the flames, I'm going to stick the kindling in just before my cook. Right, I am all ash. I've got lump wood charcoal all over my head, my hair, my face. I'm not going to show you. I'm not going to show you me. I look ridiculous. Right. I'll be back when the oven's hot. Two pizzas ready, one already topped, one not topped. But I'm going to be checking on the oven now because I'm just trying to organise my cook. Oh God, I've got an error. Error 1. I don't know what that means. This is bad. Right, okay. Okay, I'm going to have to find... I can't find my other one either. This is... Look, before it dies on me, before it does something silly again. 450 in the centre. Ooh, it's a nice big one. Hope that fits. Oh no, I could just hear my stove. It's just fallen on my After my first cook, I'm gonna have to fill that grate back up. Oh guys, it's all falling down at the back. I'm just gonna push it all to the back. Clear my stone. It has been a bit of a star. It has waited for ages for me. It's got to be like half an hour on this peel. Okay, I know the temperature of the stone is right because I just did it, so I'm going to put this in now. Oh, I'm glad I turned then because it's cooked already. Yeah. Ta-da! Pizza 1. I think I need to add more. Ready for my next cook. 2 logs on there just to get it going. I don't want to wait forever to do my second pizza. Luck is not on my side today. Where does it go? I blow it. We're in a desperate situation here with this. Right, we've got to get this in without it. Right, let's do it. That was tough. That was really tough. Okay. I don't know if I'll ever get it back out. Let me just see what. Lots of sparkling going on in here. Yeah, that made me nervous, that. Anyway. We are done. Oh my gosh, did I just do it in the middle? That is one cooked pizza. Right, I've got to deliver this quickly to the recipient. Off it goes. Okay. And a nice roaring flame. Can you see the nice roaring flame? Do a wiggle test. Whew. Just checking. That looks all a bit used up. That'll do. That'll do. I don't think I can fit any more in there. That'll have to do. I need to create rolling flames. At the moment, there's no rolling anything. It's coming. It's there. Just a little bit more. Done. This one's to order as well. my multi-cooked pizza day on, it is now, I think it's 30 Celsius, and I've got a very hot dog. I'm just going to show you the hot dog. Hi, hot dog, hi, how are you? Shall I get a fan for you? You're so hot. And you can't help it, can you, darling? You can't help being so hot. Oh, I can't help being so hot. Oh. Oh. That smells like pizza on your hands, Mum. Right. Yeah, we're hot. No air conditioning. Boiling hot wood-fired oven. What was I thinking? Anyway, have a good day, everyone. Signing off. Bye.